is that 500 Park Tower, Keyence, in Itasca, Illinois. My dad used to work here, by the way, back in the 80s. Former Westinghouses, modernized by Otis in 2016, I believe. Okay. Oh, these things are high speed, faster than the Weston's elevators, which is next door. I'm gonna hold on to this. This thing is fast. Whee! 14th floor. Alright, here's 14th floor. See the old numberings, 5, 4. Okay, so
Going down.
I don't know why that does that. It says multiple times. I guess if it ever locks you, to punch your card in. Here. Same numbers go. I don't like these elevators. My dad used to work in this building. Going down?
Yep.
What floor?
Lower level. Going down.
That's where I'm going anyways.
Cool. Lower level. Going up.
See if it's original leveling. Yes.